Hello and welcome back. Okay, here we are again on the Jenkins dashboard, and now we're going to configure the authentication over SSH to our remote host. Remember that in previous lessons we created a new service, which is an SSH service. And remember that if we go to docker exec-di jenkins and bash, and we try to SSH using the remote user at remote host, we're going to have a connection, and if we type the password, then we can log into that machine. Cool. So now we're going to configure this on Jenkins so we have direct connection to the host through SSH. Please remember that all the connections are going to happen inside of the container. So when you configure the host, look at this. If we type this, we have an answer, but if we go out of the container, let me go out, and I do this, then I have an error, as you can see. Because if you remember, in our Docker compose file, we defined the remote host DNS as this one. So Jenkins can see the remote host using this DNS because they both belong to the same network. But outside of the container, in your machine, you can't see that name because your host is not part of that network directly. So cool. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go to the Jenkins dashboard. We're going to click on Manage Jenkins. Once here, click on Configure the system.